Hi guys, today I'm going to do a challenge in which I will teach you on how to make a game within 10 minutes, that too without any coding. So let's start the challenge without wasting any time. Here I have already opened the software Unity in which we are going to create the game. Guys, our first task is to create a terrain in the scene. For doing this, go to game object and then go to 3D object and create the terrain. Now we need to add texture to the terrain to have a realistic view. Now let's import the grass texture. First go to assets and go to import new asset, select the grass and import it. After we have imported the grass texture, we need to apply it to the terrain. For this, go to terrain, select the paint texture, edit terrain layers, create layer and select the grass. Now we have to increase the tile size. For this, select the terrain and go to tile settings and increase it by 100 by 100. Our next task is to create track on which our car will run. For this we need to import the road texture. Go to assets, import new asset and select the road texture. Now we need to apply it to the track. So after importing the road texture, we will create the track. For this go to edit terrain layers, create layer and select the road texture. Now select the road texture and go to brush size and increase it by around 70 and then start creating the track. Okay, it is almost done. After creating the track, we need to increase the tile size to improve the texture quality of road. To do this, select the road texture and then go to tiling settings and increase the size 200 by 200. Now let's add some roadside barriers so that our car doesn't go out of the track. For doing this, go to terrain and select the set height option and adjust the height to around 5. After that, go to brush size and set it to 30. So let's start creating the roadside barrier. Now our next step is to add car to the train. For doing this, go to assets and go to import package, custom package and select the car asset and import it. Now go to all prefabs and drag the car asset to the hierarchy. Now we need to align the car with the track. For doing this, go to car, select the move tool and drag the car along the axis. Now we have to attach the main camera which will follow the car. For doing this, drag the main camera to the car and set the position to 0, 0, 0 and adjust the camera. Okay. Let's check our game whether it's working or not. Press the play button. As you can see, it's working fine. Okay. And our next task will be to add some trees and mountain. Now let's add some mountain. For doing this, go to terrain and select the set height option and set the height around 150. After that, adjust the brush size, keep it around 100 and start creating the mountain. Okay. Okay, it's done. After this, I will add some trees to the terrain. For doing this, go to assets, import package, custom package and select the tree asset and open it and import. Now go to terrain, select the paint trees option and edit trees. Add tree and drag drop the tree asset to tree prefab and click add and adjust the brush size now and change the tree density to 50 and start adding the trees. Okay, it's done. Okay, before checking the game, let's add some material to the car. For this, right click, create and select material. And now we have to change the color. Let's keep it blue. Okay, now go to car, zoom it and drag drop the material. So finally, let's check our game. Click the play button and let's see. Okay guys, as we can see, it's working fine. So guys, it's time to end our video and thanks for watching.